Hi everyone, my name is Patience and I'm super excited to share my experience with 10Alytics with you. I came across 10Alytics last year and I went on their website. I watched videos of how people transition into tech and landed a good job after, having one or two programs with 10Alytics. That really captured my interest, so I decided to register. And what really made me to seal the deal with them was the clarity section I had with them. It's really helped me understand my part, and it also, gave me the confidence to move forward. My learning experience so far with 10Alytics was amazing. The live classes was interactive, was practical. Even if you missed a section with them, the class is always recorded. The students they always go back, to watch the videos and they move along with each other. So the mentorship section was incredibly supportive, and the drop-in sections, the drop-in section was useful, was helpful, because sometimes we were given a project on our own, to work on. So the drop-in section was a great tool. Let me use that word, was a great tool, because if you are confused in somewhere or somehow got stuck, you don't have the ideas on how to start the project, you come in, and then ask questions, and you receive answers in real time. You see, these facilitators, they are proactive, they are proactive. They make sure that things are in place for their students. We don't feel left out in one way or the other, and the project, really pushed me to apply what I learned. 10Alytics also offer CV revamping. If you see my CV now, I have it. In fact, it has given me the confidence to apply for roles I never thought I could, So if you're out there still wondering on how you can transition into tech career, please stop wondering. 10Alytics is there for you and I. Go to their website, take a look at what they offer there, and if you're not so sure about it, you can book a section with them. It will give you clarity on what career you should venture into. It really helped me, So please don't give it a thought for so long. Reach out to them. They're always there to help you. So please make sure you reach out to 10Alytics. So thank you, 10Alytics, for making me not just to dream about having a career in tech. I am going to live it. Thank you so much. Bye.